Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Close in the pop-up to disable location. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, location is now off. If you wish to switch it on, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section. Then click on it and manage it by tapping on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!